5. The 1900 Galveston hurricane was a devastating natural disaster that struck the coastal city of Galveston, Texas in September 1900. The hurricane is considered one of the deadliest and most destructive natural disasters in United States history, with an estimated death toll of over 8,000 people. The storm surge, which reached a height of 15 feet, flooded much of the city and destroyed countless buildings, homes, and infrastructure. Despite early warnings of the storm, many residents of Galveston did not evacuate, and the lack of preparation and infrastructure in the city contributed to the high death toll. The Galveston hurricane of 1900 remains a tragic and sobering reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature, and the importance of preparedness and resilience in the face of disaster. 4. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami, also known as the Sumatra-Andaman earthquake, was a megathrust earthquake that occurred on December 26, 2004, with a magnitude of 9.1 to 9.3. The earthquake was located in the Indian Ocean off the west coast of Sumatra, Indonesia, and triggered a series of devastating tsunamis that affected countries around the Indian Ocean basin. Over 230,000 people were killed in 14 countries, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters in history. The disaster also resulted in extensive damage to infrastructure and the displacement of millions of people. The event brought attention to the importance of early warning systems and disaster preparedness in vulnerable areas. 3. The 1970 Bola cyclone was one of the deadliest natural disasters in modern history. The storm struck East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, on November 12, 1970, with winds of up to 185 km per hour or 114 miles per hour and a storm surge that reached 6 meters in some areas. The cyclone caused widespread devastation, destroying homes, crops, and infrastructure. Estimates of the death toll vary widely, but it is believed that as many as 500,000 people lost their lives. The disaster had a profound impact on the region, leading to significant social and political changes in Bangladesh and sparking a renewed focus on disaster preparedness and response. 2. The 1887 Yellow River flood, also known as the Huayhuanca disaster, was one of the deadliest natural disasters in history. It occurred in China's Hunan province when the Yellow River burst its banks after a heavy rainfall, causing widespread flooding and destruction. The floodwaters submerged thousands of homes, farms, and villages, claiming the lives of over 900,000 people. The disaster also displaced millions of people, causing widespread famine and disease in the region. The 1887 Yellow River flood remains a tragic reminder of the devastating power of nature and the importance of disaster preparedness and prevention. And finally, number 1. The 1931 China floods were a devastating natural disaster that occurred in the central and eastern regions of China, affecting over 51 million people and causing an estimated death toll of 1 to 4 million. The floods were caused by a combination of heavy rains and the overflowing of the Yangtze, Huai, and Yellow rivers. The floods caused widespread damage to homes, infrastructure, and crops, leading to famine and disease outbreaks. The disaster had a significant impact on the Chinese economy, contributing to the fall of the nationalist government and the rise of the Communist Party. The 1931 China floods remain one of the deadliest and costliest natural disasters in history. Natural disasters cause loss of life, which can be deeply upsetting for individuals and communities affected by the disaster. Additionally, natural disasters can lead to the displacement of communities, leaving individuals without homes or access to basic resources like food, water, and medical care. The destruction of property and infrastructure can also have long-term economic impacts, leading to job loss and financial strain. Overall, natural disasters can cause significant human suffering, making them a sad and tragic occurrence. It's important to stick together and take care of each other, especially during difficult times. It's important to love one another and share what we have, as this helps to create a sense of community and support that can help us get through challenging times. Comment below on which type of natural disaster are you afraid of the most. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, and helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button to support me and stay updated with my future content.